This ground mount installation is a beautiful 70-panel 26 kW system in Cinnaminson, New Jersey. We decided to go with a ground mount system in this instance because there wasn't enough room on the roof to cover all the electrical usage at this house. Prior to installing solar, the homeowner converted the entire home to running on ground source heat pumps and is using no fossil fuels on site for heating or cooling. Everything that is being produced from the solar array is being used on site and is interchanged with the grid through net metering. We can produce 100% offset because the array is mounted perfectly towards the south at a 25-degree pitch, and we can get as much possible solar offset from the efficient solar design. In this instance, we were also preparing ourselves for potential climate impacts in this area. During the recent Hurricane Ida, there was significant flooding in this area up to 2 feet high because of the floodplain caused by the Delaware River depicted behind the array. Now, we prepared for this and we actually designed the system to be lifted 3 feet off the ground, and at the back of the portion of the array it's as high as 9 feet. This means even if the floodwaters rise, it will never cover the solar panels and will never affect the production of the solar array. The system is designed with climate change in mind, whether we're mitigating the impacts of fossil fuel usage here in our region or preparing ourselves to be more resilient in the face of new climate disasters. We are doing everything we can to build a more climate just future. We really appreciated working with Daniel Hunter and all the work he does with 350.org as their global trainings manager, and we want to see more projects like this that are keeping in mind what we need to do for future generations and how we can prepare for that future today.